ATEC new solar motion sensor lights, 120 LEDs with lights reflector 270 degrees wide angle, IP65 waterproof. Deck. Brighten your outdoor space with ATEC solar lights. Discover the perfect blend of safety and style with the ATEC solar motion sensor lights, featuring 120 powerful LEDs, a 270 degrees ultra-wide lighting angle, and a smart ProMotion sensor. These lights ensure your home stays illuminated exactly when you need it. Whether it's lighting up your front door, deck, garage, or yard, ATEC delivers top-tier performance without the hassle of wiring. 3 smart lighting modes: permanent on, smart brightness control, and motion sensor only. High-efficiency solar panel with 20.5% conversion rate. IP65 waterproof and heat-proof, perfect for all weather conditions. Easy installation, no wiring needed. Ideal for patios, gardens, stairs, pathways, and more. Let ATEC keep your outdoor space safe and well lit all night long. Solpex Solar Deck Lights Outdoor 16-pack, Solar Step Lights, waterproof LED solar lights for outdoor stairs, steps, fence, yard, patio, and pathways. Step into safety with Solpex Solar Deck Lights. Say goodbye to dark stairs and pathways. The Solpex Solar Deck Lights 16-pack brings elegant illumination to your deck, fence, patio, garden, stairs, and pathways, designed with a warm white glow and a non-dazzling finish. These lights not only enhance safety, but also add a touch of charm to your outdoor decor. Automatic on-off charges during the day, lights up at night. Warm white LED light, safe and comforting glow. IP65 waterproof design, rain or shine, they keep shining. Compact size, perfect fit for decks, stairs, and railings. Easy screw-in installation. Whether it's a family member heading downstairs or guests enjoying your backyard, Solpex ensures everyone can walk safely after sunset. HMCITY Solar Lights Outdoor 120 LED with reflector and 3 lighting modes, solar motion sensor wall lights. IP65 waterproof solar-powered wall lights for garden, patio, yard, deck. Pendant lights light up your outdoors with HMCITY solar lights. The HMCITY solar motion sensor lights offer unmatched versatility with 3 intelligent lighting modes, a high-efficiency solar panel, and 120 upgraded LEDs that deliver wide-angle brightness across. These durable, IP65 waterproof wall lights are built to withstand extreme weather while providing reliable outdoor lighting. 3 lighting modes: motion sensor, permanent on, smart brightness, 270 degrees wide illumination angle, covers large areas. Monocrystalline silicon solar panel, up to 20.5% energy conversion, durable and weather-resistant ABS housing. Wireless and easy installation, no wiring needed. Perfect for gardens, patios, decks, fences, and pathways. HMCITY combines functionality and elegance for a safer, brighter outdoor experience. Tefano Solar Outdoor Lights 2500 LM210 LED security lights with remote control, 3 heads motion sensor lights, IP65 waterproof, 270 degrees wide angle, flood wall lights with 3 modes. A powerful outdoor security with Tefano Solar floodlights. Upgrade your home security with the Tefano Solar Motion Sensor floodlights. Boasting an impressive 2500 lumens output, 210 super bright LEDs, and a 270 degrees wide angle coverage, these solar-powered floodlights provide brilliant illumination for your yard, garage, driveway, or pool area. Remote control switch between 3 lighting modes with ease. 3 adjustable lamp heads customize your coverage. ProMotion sensor detects movement up to 26 feet away. IP65 waterproof and durable build, survives rain, snow, and extreme heat. Long battery life, up to 8-10 hours on full charge.